I said I'll pick you up at 8. Probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. No, I'll wait. Your eyes give off a toxic vibe, making me lose my mind. That's why I'm sitting in your room. Looks like Lil Uzi tomb. Thought I smelled a witch, but I go stupid. Put a pretty Instagram year span, planning this night, trying to suit up for a scam. I said I'll pick you up at 8. You probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Need you during your sleepless night, but you're too high to drive. I know that if I'm gonna die, no one will see you cry. Thought